Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a brand new 2024 Sabre 37Flh. We're going to take a look at it. It's got some really cool brand new stuff on it. The first thing I'm going to say is they're switching over to a lot of BAL stuff. Awesome. The auto level system, I was using that this morning. Worked like a dream, super easy. Auto leveled itself. Boom, you're done. There's our auto level. There's our awesome wheels. 50 amp service. This unit has 2 airs. We're already pre-wired. There's a camera on it, goes right to your phone. It's got the new ladder system too, the Lippert ladder system. The ladder is sold separately. It's something similar to that. That's not the ladder. I just brought that out. That's something we use on our units. Very neat system. Leash link. Got a mini fridge, a little faucet, power awning, solid entry steps, glass door, extra large grab handle. This is a solid hinge door, so wherever you put it, that's where the door stays. Take a look here. First thing you're going to notice as you walk in, there's a place for your shoes. Front living room. Look at the picture on that TV. Fireplace. 2 fold-out beds. Recliner with heat, massage, and air. Our ceiling fan. The new system here, very cool. Makes running the slides and all that very easy. It's also that has the one control, so you can download that to your phone, and anything you can run on the control panel, you're supposed to be able to run on your phone. New latches. It may not look like much, but they're very, very cool. I like them a lot. A refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop range oven, kitchen island, pantry with a motion light, convection microwave. This unit is a bath and a half, so you have a little bathroom right up front. Our kitchen table with a little bench. These are the zebra shades. You can let the light in as much or as little as you want. Our bedroom. Our second air. Room for another TV. Lots of storage here. Barn door for going to the shower area. Look at that, double sinks. Lots and lots of storage. Here's our control for the on-demand water heater. You can set the temperature. Ceiling fans, exhaust fans, lights. Very cool. Black. Stand-up shower with seat. More storage. But this is also prepped for a washer dryer. So if you don't want it, you can leave it as a cabinet with another motion light. Lots of cool things here. We've got the Furrion airs, TrueFlex roofing with a lifetime warranty. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.